welcome to this short video tutorial on how to register your learners for functional skills. This will show you the whole journey for you. Firstly, we'll need to register some learners. To do this, we'll click into Actions, then into the e-registration submission. From here, you'll input the course of learning. You can use the drop-down option, or you can type in the name of the assessment. And then click on to continue. From here, you'll then need to input the examination date. We will need 5 working days. And then the time of the assessment. You are able to include a provider reference here for this cohort of learners. You are also able to input the purchase order number, or if you prefer, you can input your initials here as well. You'll then input the name of the site that this qualification was delivered. This information will come from Horizon. And then the tutor who delivered this qualification. This information will also come from Horizon. Then, to input the learner's details, you'll click here for a standard e-registration submission form as an Excel file. When you click on this, this will then download the Excel sheet onto your device. You will then open this Excel sheet. Click on Enable Editing and then input the name of the learner, the forename, the date of birth, the postcode and the gender. So all of the boxes that have the star, they are mandatory. And there is a drop-down option to input for the gender. Should you wish to complete any of the other boxes, you'll see that there are some numbers as the codes, and to see what the codes are, you can click into the next tab along. Once you're happy with this, you can then save this document. And then continue. And then where it says select file, click there. Then find the saved file. Click on that and then click on to open. Here you'll see a preview of the information that you've inputted, but don't be alarmed as we'll just show the first 20 lines of the file. Once you're happy, you'll click continue. This will give you an overview of all of the information you've inputted. If you'd like to make any changes, you can click amend, and if you're happy, you can click submit. You've now completed your registration of learners. It's worth making note of this run ID number. 2 days before the assessment is scheduled, you'll be able to go into Courseweb, download the assessment papers. You'll be able to download the front cover sheet and the assessment paper. You'll go into Actions and then Your Runs. You'll be able to type in Run ID and click Search, or if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the most recent registration of learners at the top here. You'll click into the Run ID number. which will give you an overview of all of the information, including the learner. From here, you can click into Run Documentation. You will then be able to see the front cover sheet and the paper. When you click on these, they will download onto your device. You will need to keep these secure and following the NOCN guidelines. You will then print these off, share them with your learners, and once they have completed the assessment, you will send these to PECS. The information for this will be seen on the front cover sheet. These will need to be sent within 48 hours of completion of the assessment, and we will need proof of postage. The papers can potentially be held for borderlines, awarding and standardisation.
Accessing results. Results will be made available within 6 working days unless held. Centres can access results by going into QuartzWeb, searching for the Run ID number, select Run Documentation, and under View Documents you'll be able to download a statement of results. Statement of results will show the results, for example a pass or fail, together with the score achieved. Centres receive a free of charge feedback report for any learners who are not successful in their assessment. Feedback reports highlight some areas where a learner has performed weaker in their assessment. You will find this under Run Documentation, under View Document, and you'll be able to download the report. We also have some further support and useful contact details. And thank you for your time today.